Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to auto assign roles to new users in your Discord server. First of all, we need our Discord server and we need to have at least a role. To do so, we need to go to our server settings, and from there we need to go to roles and create a new role. By doing this, we can click on create role from this button, and let's name it, for example role. From there, I can change the color of the role, and I can go here and give it the permission that I would desire to give to the specific role. For example, view channels. So from there, I'm gonna go ahead and click on save changes, and just like that, this role is created successfully, as you can see right here. Now, the second thing that we need to do is to open our browser and go ahead and open this website, which is called car.gg. Click on login with Discord from here, and then what you will need to do is to add it to your Discord account. So here we need to put our informations and log in with our Discord. Once you have done that, you will have all the servers that you are admin in. So what you will need to do is to select the server that you want the order, or basically the bot, to be added to. For me, it's example videos, and then click on continue. Give it all these possible things as permissions and give it authorize. Now you simply have to go through this captcha code and it's gonna be all good. Let's check it out now and click on get started. From here, guys, what you will need to do is to simply click on the main page again and click on manage and go back to your server. Here I'm going to open my server to check if the bot is added, and as you can see, it is added successfully. Go ahead to your server settings and make sure that in roles, CarBot has the permission to actually manage roles. If not, make sure to add it for it. Once this is done, go back to your browser and go here to auto mode, and as you can see here, you will find many options. One of them is to actually give an auto role. So how can we give it here? You're simply going to click on this area. So in the moderation way, you click on auto roles, and from here you will find these roles are assigned to any new member who joins. If a member had the roles before and rejoins, the roles assigned is the superset of the auto roles and their old roles. So here we are going to choose example role, and then I'm going to click on save. Now whenever a new user comes to the server, it's gonna taken directly to the role of the example role. So whenever there is new members, they will be assigned automatically to this role. That was it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.